Welcome back to the AI Creator Academy. Today, we will show you how to grow smarter. Stop scrolling if your AI video characters keep changing their face, hair, and clothes in every single generation. Learn how to maintain perfect character consistency. You try to make a cohesive story, but the moment you change the background, your main character looks like a completely different person. It's frustrating and it ruins your videos. Let's build your clone. In this masterclass, I'm going to show you the secret continuity trick to lock in a character's face and clothes across any scene using completely free tools. Let's build your clone. Ready to take your content to the next level? Let's explore some incredible AI tools. They will help you grow smarter. Don't wait, start creating today. Step 1 is creating your character anchor. Never just type "a beautiful woman." You need to give the AI permanent, unchangeable anchor traits. Describe their specific facial structure, an exact hairstyle, and a highly distinct outfit. For example, a 25-year-old woman with a tight, high ponytail wearing a vintage brown leather jacket. Keeping that exact string of text at the front of every prompt is your first line of defense. Step 2 is where the magic happens. Once you generate one perfect image of your character, do not jump straight to video. Save that image. If you're using text-to-image tools, use the character reference-cref parameter. If you're using video tools, upload that exact image into the image-to-video slot. By feeding the AI a visual anchor point rather than just words, you force it to map the new video motion directly onto the existing face. Here is the golden formula to switch up scenes. You keep your uploaded base image, keep your exact anchor text, but you only change the action and the environment at the very end. Look at this, same face, same jacket, but completely different worlds. If the clothes start glitching, add the word "same outfit" into your prompt modifier to remind the AI to lock it down. I've pasted my exact character prompt template and the top free tools for consistency in the description below. Drop a comment letting me know what character you're trying to build, hit that subscribe button, and let's keep creating. See you in the next masterclass.